Hi friends, I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm gonna go in with my henna brow. I haven't done it in a long time. I thought it would be fun to do a video about it. So this is shade Blonde. I got this from Amazon. It is, let's see. It comes with, actually I probably just read the box for you. 3 packets of powder this big, okay? And it comes with, once you open it, you store it in this. And I wanna say this is the first one I've used. I have 2 packets left, so I'm still on my first packet. And it comes with a bunch of little gadgets to do it with. And it says up to 10 applications on them, but I've used this way more, so let's get into it. A mess. So I just take a little bit and I put it in this little container, and then I have this. I'm gonna do So you're supposed to mix 5 to 10 minutes until all the little beads are mixed and a smooth product is left. All right guys, I've got it all mixed up. Let's get started. I have a spoolie and an angled brush. It comes with everything you need. So I'm just going to brush my brows up how I want them. And I'm gonna use my angled brush. I'm just going to take a little bit, and it's gonna look crazy, okay? So bear with me. So I am doing the shape of my brow. It's hard to do it in here. Think. You're gonna let this product sit for 15 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one. I'm gonna go get some Q-tips. Alright guys, they're on. I'm gonna sit for 15 minutes now and we'll see how this turns out. Kind of crazy, right? It's time to wash it off and I'm gonna go do it in another room and I'll be back. There's one. I'll do side by side. Okay. And so I like it. I can tell that it's a little darker. It's not as extreme as you would have thought, of course, but it definitely helps in with the like filling of my brows. They're so blonde and light. I know my hair is super light. Definitely love doing this every once in a while. It fades every time you cleanse, wash your face, all the things. I will link up the oh my god, dog. Okay, let me know if you try it. And obviously, do at your own risk. It says professional use only on the box. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.